Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. As you can see, I will be working with a strainer today. I will be working with a mix of purples and blues and greens and some white. So all my colors have Floetrol, water, some of them have silicones. I'm working mostly with leftovers. So yeah, I'm excited to try this strainer. I'm hoping that I will get different effects than last time. And that's about it. Today I am painting on a 10 by 10 canvas. So here we go. So overall, I'm really happy about the outcome of some of the details. I think a lot of things are quite beautiful. I think to try this technique again, though, I would try and find a strainer that had only slots. I think it might give a better result for what I'm looking for. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.